Today, I'll take you inside the Mumbai's biggest aesthetic beauty conference. It's a 2-day event happening at the Nesco Goregaon, where dermatologists, skin experts, aesthetic doctors all across the country are here to discuss the future of the skincare and beauty industry. Entry to this exhibition/conference is free of cost. All you need to do is register yourself at the counter. I've been invited by Rebloom.
Rebloom.
Yeah.
Can you just make your visitor pass if you don't mind?
Where? This is not just another skincare event. The difference here is people behind these booths are experts, doctors, and brands that focus on the science and the medical side of the skincare.
So, Renosol is the parent company, and they have multiple brands under them. So, Rebloom is one of those brands. So, Rebloom is the first India skincare brand which consists of a lot of sunscreen range. So they have a wide variety of multiple sunscreens which can solve your everyday issues like anti-aging, acne pro skin, and then of course pigmentation. And they have the beautiful sunscreen mist which you can just directly apply on your makeup also, and it won't move at all.
Oh, can I try this
Yeah,
product?
of course. Let me take you. Yes, Prachi. Prachi, can I have you? So
Hi, Divyanshi.
She's Divyanshi. She would like you to explain her all the products, especially the mist.
So this is Eclipse Solar. We are totally a sunscreen brand. So we are totally D2C brand.
Yeah.
So we specialize in sunscreen. So total we have a product of 10 in our range today. So if you see, this is like the best selling product of ours. This is a fully physical sunscreen, but it doesn't leave a white cast. It's super light on the skin. It gives a very good blendability. It like literally absorbs into your skin like water. The other one, which like really famous and like very likable amongst the youth, is this one, Lumia Mist. Like the reapplication process is quite tedious right now, and people don't like to reapply sunscreen on their face. So this one solves the problem. Eclipse Solar, like Lumia Mist, this is like just one go-to product. You just have to spray. Like it's an invisible mist. Do you see? There is no white cast, nothing. Easily blendable.
But mineral sunscreens usually have a white cast.
Exactly, but it doesn't. It doesn't have. So this one is like the greatest part of it. Even the Eclipse Solar is a fully mineral sunscreen. It doesn't leave a white cast. If I just give you an example, this is the sunscreen. It should leave a white cast, but it doesn't, because it's such well formulated product. Like it won't leave any. It blends like into your skin like a spoon.
Oh, nice.
So this is like the best selling, and this is like best for reapplication purpose, because makeup के ऊपर sunscreen लगाना is next to impossible, but this one solves the problem. This won't hinder with your makeup, it won't move it. Even if I just apply it right now, it won't move my makeup. So this is how it looks.
Can I also try?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. It's super hydrating. It will settle down instantly. It won't leave a white cast. Okay.
I was invited by Rebloom. They have also shared some goodies with me, especially SPF, which I'm so excited to try. और अब मैं बहुत सारे यहाँ पे डिफरेंट बूथ्स हैं, स्किन केयर स्पेशलिस्ट हैं, बहुत सारी मशीन्स भी मैं यहाँ पे देख रही हूँ. सो नाउ आई एम गोना गो चेक आउट दैट. दिस प्लेस फील्स लाइक अ स्किन केयर प्ले ग्राउंड लिटरली. क्या हो रहा है? लाइट थेरेपी, लाइव फेशियल्स चल रहे हैं. Let's go here.
Where are you from, doctor? Where are you from?
I'm not doctor. I'm a blogger/content creator.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is our professional range. This all are in the Renaissance Cosmetic are getting these products are directly imported from the European different countries like UK and Spain, France, as well as some different countries. This is mentioned in the
Okay,
So
this
first
is your brand, Renucel
Renaissance is our company's
name.
Yeah. And
Okay.
This is our different home professional range which are used in the doctors.
So the one reason that I'm so excited to explore this beauty conference is दैट आई एम अ पर्सन जिसको कोई भी ट्रेंडिंग अगर प्रोडक्ट होता है ना वो नहीं बाय करता है, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी स्किन पे हर चीज़ नहीं सूट करती है, बिकॉज आई हैव अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रिलेशनशिप विद माई स्किन. सो आई ऑलवेज रीड द बैक ऑफ द बॉटल बिफोर बाइंग एनी थिंग. सो इन दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस देर आर सो मेनी skin experts that will actually help me explain all these ingredients and what exactly goes behind creating that one skincare product.
PDRN, FDA approved and CPNP approved.
Okay.
So it is 100% injectable. So what you can expect is, I can show you some pre and post. So this is after 2 sessions
Oh,
and this is after 4 sessions.
can I show this to my audience?
No, personal patient.
Okay,
I
no.
am also a doctor. This is person.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Totally respect that.
Yes, and I can show you. If you want, you can show this because there is no face in this. So this is after 1 session.
So what exactly is
It
this?
contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, which is approximately 15 mg, and it contains PDRN, polydeoxyribonucleotide, which is the salmon DNA. So it is going to heal your skin at DNA level.
Okay.
And apart from this, hyaluronic acid is going to give you
Hydration, yeah.
and niacinamide is going to give you lightening effect.
Lightning effect.
For example, like in your case, you have very fine pores.
Yeah.
A single session में you will love the result. That is this.
Okay.
So can you see इनके ज़्यादा pores थे, but after 2 sessions,
तो PDRN में basically
Inject
ही करना है.
Inject ही
Okay.
करना है.
And is it safe?
it is 100% it is FDA approved.
Okay.
It is FDA approved. Now we have EGF, epidermal growth factor, which is a micro needling one. Single vial में you can have 3 patients.
अच्छा. Okay.
सिंगल वाइल 3 पेशेंट. इसको माइक्रो नीडल करना है, इसको इंजेक्ट नहीं करना है. तो इसमें भी अगर आप 3 सेशन लेते हैं काफ़ी बेटर रिजल्ट आएगा. एंड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पार्ट, बोथ प्रोडक्ट यू जस्ट नेम द एरिया. आप फेस, नेक, बॉडी पार्ट, एनी बॉडी पार्ट, प्यूबिक एरिया, अंडर आर्म्स, आप कहीं पर भी इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड इसके केस में आपको माइल्ड एक्सफोलेशन होगा, लाइटनिंग
हाँ.
इफेक्ट आएगा
Right.
एंड ओपन पोर्स आपके क्लीन.
And it basically I'll have to get it done from somewhere, where,
This-
right? Or I can do it myself.
This, if you do micro needling, you can do it by yourself. This. That you need doctor.
You need, of course. Okay. Nice. Thank you so much.
On your palm over here. You just take it and then rub it rigorously between your palm. It melts in your palm. It kind of activates, and once it's activated, you apply it all over your hair, and you leave it at least for 30 minutes. And you can also leave it like overnight. Yeah.
We'll do the test right
Yeah,
here.
let's,
Yes, yes.
Okay.
please. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
so you do that, and now you can leave it as it is. It helps with the nourishment of your
Okay.
hair. So that is one, and of course after this, if you're done with it, tonight if you want to go and shampoo your hair, or tomorrow you want to shampoo your hair.
Oh.
Yeah. So you apply this. This is the hair cleanser.
Oh God. Acha. I thought it's some styling thing.
No, it is a styling thing as well.
Okay.
Because it's like pure shea butter. We apply
Okay.
it all over our body also.
Okay.
It's just shea butter. So you can leave it also. It's fine.
What are the ingredients? Azelaic acid.
Yes, micronized azelaic acid along with resinol, HPP and ferulic acid
Okay.
for hyperpigmentation and acne scar. Only night application.
Right. Okay. There are so many times we just use a skincare product just because उसका ingredient famous हो गया होता है, but we don't know कि what exactly वो करता है skin में.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is for B12 deficiency, madam. Even for hair loss patient, you can use it. It is rich in methylcobalamin, that is 1500 mcg of B12 along with folic acid and paracetamol.
Okay.
And it is ODT tablet. So that is oral disintegrating tablet. So once the tablet is kept in mouth, 15 seconds may directly get absorbed in blood. It avoids first part of metabolism. Therefore, bioavailability do increase.
Okay.
And it is masked with orange tangy flavor. So no nausea, no vomiting.
I am skeptical about trying it.
Try it, madam.
You try first.
It is dispersible tablet, madam. No water
Okay.
required.
Okay, I'll you give me the sample. I'll try it at home. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So I do take vitamins and minerals. ऐसे like क्या बोलते हैं? In a tablet form. Yeah. So I do take supplements, guys, but वो मेरे डर्मैट या किसी ने मुझे suggest किया होता है. That's how I take it. I just cannot just go about it and just put a pill in my mouth and just try it for the sake of it. So, okay. I hope I get the best deal. Got it. Oh, thank you. What's inside it?
It's a fun offer basically.
Thank you. 166 Botox like face cream. Anti-aging and lifting cream. अब एक बार लगाने से तो कुछ भी anti-aging नहीं होगा. It's like you have to keep applying it. Keep doing skincare.
So Nutrova is a science-backed company. It's a nutraceutical company which is dealing into various nutraceutical products which will help to improve skin health and hair health. One of our very signature products is Nutrova Collagen Plus Antioxidants because we have done a clinical study using our own formulation and we have seen results within 2 months time wherein we have seen an increase in skin firmness, elasticity and hydration. And as you must be knowing that collagen production declines after
Right.
mid-20s, so it becomes very essential to improve the skin health and to look at the aging perspective, skin
Yeah.
aging perspective. And we are having other 2 flavors, Nutrova Marine Collagen Peptides, and those who are allergic to marine source, we have an alternative Poultry Collagen Peptide.
Okay, this isn't a vegetarian option, or this
No,
is?
we do not have any vegetarian option because collagen is sourced only from animal
Yeah.
sources. The vegetarian sources which are available in the market, they are just a blend of some amino acids.
Yeah.
So they are not true collagen.
Okay.
That's the thing. And we have some RX products also.
Can I try something?
Yes, sure.
So I used to take collagen the first thing early morning. So how are you supposed to take collagen?
You should be taking it after a meal, half an hour after meal. Preferably if you are looking at improving the skin health, then you can consume it during the bedtime.
Oh, not in the morning.
No.
And why would you suggest it after the meal?
It may cause discomfort to some individuals, so to be on a safe side, we always recommend it after a meal.
It's very tasty.
Yeah. Do you get any fishy smell?
Don't tell me it has fish. Like I would not, but I would not want to think of fish while I'm drinking it. But the taste is really good. It's very fresh. It's very fruity. It's nothing like it. It looks like a mocktail.
Yes.
Yeah.
So one sachet is containing 5.5 grams of collagen peptide, and it's a box of 30 sachets. So it's very convenient for a person to break open the sachet and empty it into a glass of water, 100 ml glass of water, and one can consume it.
Lovely. Sure. These machines are giving me like a vibe कि मैं किसी sci-fi movie में आ गया हूँ. देखो कैसे आ रहा है इसमें. Actually Hydra facial की machine है ये. ये क्या है? What is this?
This is Misopen.
Okay. Is there any of these pens that I can use at home?
No,
No.
for home purpose we don't have.
Don't. Okay.
You can carry this one.
Thank you. Cool, let's go. There are so many different booths here and everyone is talking about something or the other which is different. कोई anti-aging के बारे में बात कर रहा है, कोई sunscreen के बारे में बात कर रहा है, कोई anti-aging procedures के बारे में बात कर रहा है, injectables के बारे में बात कर रहा है. मैंने बहुत बारी बात कर रहा है बोल दिया है.
Blue is because of the copper peptide.
Blue color is because of the copper.
Peptide. It is yes, it's very good for repairing the damage.
Oh, have you guys tried a blue sunscreen before? अच्छा, tell me, अगर if I am a person, I don't know anything about skincare, I just walk into a place, मुझे कोई भी idea नहीं है, तो how do I decide my skincare?
Like you don't know anything.
I don't know anything about skincare. I walk into a store, वहाँ पे 500 different products हैं.
So you can, like now today's generation AI has been come. You just click that photo and go on the any application of AI and ask them. He will give all the details to you, what application, how to use, when to use, night application or day application, everything he will give.
That is actually such a good answer that like in today's time where AI has literally taken over, there is so much knowledge out there. All you have to do is just click a picture of that product, ask the AI, okay, I have this type of skin, will this product suit me, or like suggest me something better, and it'll help you. Thank you so much.
So our products are 100% vegan products, as you can see here on the pack.
Mentions like it has alcohol in it.
Sorry.
The ingredient.
So the formulation sometimes, to stabilize that particular formulation and to give that kind of to give that formulation stability, you need to put those things. By the way, all our products have gone through DCGI approval.
Yeah.
So DCGI is the highest authority to provide you the product approvals and the quality endorsement, and we take a lot of pride in saying that our products are manufactured there, formulated there for Indian skin and Indian climate. Yeah, every time you're coming on coffee bottle, you should get our coffee bottle. It's very nice.
So I've just won a product sample and a coffee bottle.
For hair reduction, for diode laser, and this is for CO2 laser. आप मतलब ये अगर आप बोलो ये आपके लिए काम मतलब हेयर रिडक्शन इसमें होता है
हाँ राइट, मैंने लेज़र हेयर रिडक्शन कराया हुआ है.
तो बस
हाँ,
वही
तो
machine से
डायोड
हम लोग
लेज़र एंड ये CO2 लेज़र.
CO2 लेजर ये
हाँ.
बेसिकली एक तो फ्रैक्शनल के लिए काम आता है और वजाइनल टाइटनिंग और उसके लिए काम आता है.
Oh, so how do I feel? I came here thinking that I'm going to discover some new product, but my biggest takeaway is that skincare isn't just about that one fancy trending product, but it's about discovering the scientific side of the beauty industry, and I exactly got to experience that. So I had an amazing time at this exhibition. If you found this video interesting, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.